me right now. Be gentle.
So quiet.
Look at his face.
Kitchen tattooing.
There you go.
Your phone.
How's that feel, Ron?
That was great.
Go a little slower. That's all. A little slower and wider.
Slow it down, big guy.
Looks good.
That's gonna be there forever.
Make sure I don't lose any of that. I just wanted to wipe the first line, make sure we good. Seems that way to me. We go on to number 2.
Oh, Jesus.
Running. How does it feel?
Look at you about to pop. Oh.
That is me, that fun.
Hurts like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a girl in there.
It's tripping.
You wanna wet that? What? You wanna wet that? Or? Can you see?
Nah, I'm good.
Oh, great.
That's not
You gotta spray it.
Are you kidding
Oh,
me?
I'm gonna lose a stencil if I
You
keep
really
doing
think
that. I'm not used to wiping with a stencil. I can wipe with this thing?
Pat first.
Come on, babe.
I usually do the whole thing with no fucking,
Hey.
no wipe.
Yeah.
No way.
Nah, just come back.
You know what?
I always get wet.
Oh,
Even the sucky guy wet.
You got a regular ballpoint pen? Or
The
just
first
a pen,
thing
a
they
blue
told
pen?
me,
In case you lose it,
in
you
the
can always
DVD,
pen it in.
you gotta
With a regular pen, yeah.
Start from
Alright,
what,
that's
Ronnie?
start
see
from the
that.
bottom and always wipe.
Always wipe.
It's like your butt.
James,
You wipe
if you
your
lose
butt
it,
every
look,
time?
pen it in with a pen. It's alright, it's no big deal.
Oh, it's gone.
Oh, great. You see the thing?
Oh, free-handed. Free-handed. Let's
No, it's
just
not
fucking-
free-handed. Yeah.
Stop, guys. Shut up.
Shut it.
We're excited.
Is that gonna stick to the Vaseline?
I just need guidelines. Stop moving.
Can I have a beer and or a cigarette
Both.
at the same time?